In August 2015, Cargomaxx Drilling set up its drill cutting showcase at its premises in Dordrecht, the Netherlands. Cargomaxx is the supplier of a game-changing technology to pump and store drill cuttings on board drilling rigs. The first two sets of equipment will be installed in the new Frikstad semi-submersible, as presently under construction at the Yantai shipyard in China. To enable the market to review this technology on a one-on-one scale, Cargomaxx invited its worldwide client base to witness drill cutting handling new style. A wide variety of participants, ranging from oil companies, drilling rig design companies, shipyards, solid services companies, and onshore treatment plants, joined in several showcases in which the specific features of the system were studied in detail. Main components consist of the equipment container, the elevated pipeline, and a storage tank. As a final step, the hoses were connected to the pipeline. After the building of the facility, a drill cuttings mix was prepared with input from the industry stakeholders. The traditionally used skip and ship method is by most people in the industry considered to be a logistical nightmare. As drill cuttings have an unpredictable appearance, varying from very sticky and clay-like to oily slurry with gravel, the Cargomaxx drill cutting solution is based on a very robust piston pump with a proven track record in the concrete, waste handling and tunnel boring industry. As such, the so-called store and pump solution was born. The piston pump technology, as applied, is used to build high-rise, building up to 500 meters, pumping 24/7 for a year and using a pressure of up to 100 bar. The pump is powered by a specially designed HPU. The unit delivers almost 300 bar hydraulic power, which is suitable to drive two pumps and two mixing pedals simultaneously. In order to keep grip on the drill cuttings, the system has additional features incorporated in the design, which are also part of what has been supplied to the Frikstad semis. The pressure in the pipeline is monitored by pressure transmitters, which are connected to the control panel. In case the pressure in the pipeline rises above a pre-start value, the boundary layer injection station is switched on.
The boundary layer injection station is a proven technology from the concrete industry. A number of nozzles inside the ring create a very thin film of water around the cuttings in the pipe. As a result of that, the friction between the sticky cuttings and the inner wall of the pipe is considerably reduced and the cuttings slide forward smoothly. When the pressure is below the preset stop value, the BLI is switched off again. During the showcase, a drop from 21 bar to 13 bar was witnessed when we switched on this feature. We've also supplied this technology with a base oil tank attached.
When the cuttings arrive in a storage tank, they fall on the mixing pedal. This pedal pushes the cuttings toward the pump gate. When moving in the opposite direction, it is used to steer the cuttings regularly to avoid settling. The fourth feature is the so-called recirculation mode. If it witnesses thick cuttings, the operator of the mud treatment room could decide to recirculate the cuttings on a regular basis. The unique Cargomaxx hydraulic gate valve is the core of the elaborated piping system, which can be created inside the rig. The valve has been specially designed to deal with a wide variety in cuttings that will go through the pipeline.
To cope with Frikstad's request for a compact size but drip-free valve, we completely redesigned our traditional valve. We designed the valve according to DNV offshore rules and regulations. The design was approved by DNV. After construction and assembly, the valves were tested at 80 and 125 bar with good results. We received product certificates for all valves.
Although there is an obvious preference to limit the total amount of waste that needs to be transported ashore. The system has the option to add water to the cuttings, should the operator choose so. On request, cuttings with a high viscosity as well with a very liquid cuttings were successfully pumped during the showcase. Alternatively, slop, slurry or based oil could be added to the cuttings as well, in case it's preferred to further influence the viscosity. As a final way to keep grip on the cuttings, the system is outfitted with a cleaning ball insertion point. Regular cleaning possibilities have been incorporated in the design philosophy for extra flexibility. The ball will be pushed through the pipeline and hose, ending up in the offshore support vessel that will collect the cuttings from the rig and ultimately in the onshore waste treatment plant.
We are very proud that the actions performed on the request of our visitors confirmed that we can pump drill cuttings at least 20 meters vertically for 4 days in a row without dilution. In addition, we show that after 4 days of settling in a tank, cuttings transfer can be restarted again by using the mixing pedal. 30 mm big gravel was added, and at the end, the storage tank was completely empty. We are very excited that our promise of smart, innovative solutions continues to exceed market expectations.
Please kindly contact us at www.vanaalsgroup.com for an update on the latest development. Thank you.